Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this eye-opening video, today we will explore how instrumentation and control engineering keeps our world running smoothly. So you will get an scope of instrumentation field and you can grow your career.
Control and instrumentation engineers design, implement, and maintain control systems that streamline manufacturing and production processes. They integrate sensors, actuators, and control algorithms to minimize human intervention and enhance efficiency. Engineers specialize in control systems that monitor and regulate critical variables like temperature, pressure, flow, and level in industrial operations. This is crucial for maintaining product quality and safety standards. Engineers select and design instruments, sensors, and control devices that measure and control various parameters within a process or system, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Engineers develop and program programmable logic controllers and distributed control systems. This programming orchestrates complex manufacturing processes, manages data, and ensures seamless communication between devices. Engineers create and maintain supervisory control and data acquisition setups, key for real-time monitoring and control of large-scale processes, often across vast geographical areas. Engineers design and program robotic systems, working with cutting-edge technology to create solutions that optimize efficiency and precision. Engineers optimize energy usage through control systems, contributing to sustainability and cost reduction. Engineers ensure that safety systems, including emergency shutdown systems, are in place and functional, protecting against accidents and emergencies. Engineers design systems that monitor and regulate product quality. Engineers design systems that monitor and control emissions and other environmental factors. Engineers contribute to research and development efforts, exploring cutting-edge control and automation solutions in industries like aerospace and advanced technology. Professionals offer their expertise to a range of clients and industries through consulting and services, helping companies solve complex challenges and improve their systems. Control and instrumentation engineering is a vast field with a wide scope, touching almost every industry. From industrial automation to safety systems and environmental monitoring, these engineers play a pivotal role in making industries more efficient, safer, and more sustainable.